greeting of the members and our rep from ITC.
Maka.
The Permanent Secretary for Forests, Mr. Pen Malimuli. No, thanks. Dr. Konusi Konrote, the Chairperson of the College of Honor and members of the College, Mr. Nesbitt Hazelman, Brigadier General Cookie, Ms. Khan, ma'am, the Acting Manager of the ITC Services, Mr. Jioji Konusi Konrote, and the staff of the Department of Information, Technology and Computing Services, Halkesh, Uni team, the Good Reverend Turang Tatal, members of the Presidential Staff, and our friends who are gathered here this morning. Isambul Manaka Namaste. My Maureen, a very good morning to you all. Now let me start by acknowledging and thanking Reverend Tingare for reminding us about the significance of today. It's a good coincidence. We are launching our official website and it coincides with the period of Lent. God does work in mysterious ways indeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, it is such an honor and great pleasure for my wife and I to welcome you all to the State House for today's historic event. We're making history. The official launch of the Office of the President's website. Now, please allow me to express our sincere appreciation and gratitude to you all, especially to those of you present here today for your invaluable contribution to the development of the Office of the President's website. You worked very hard, and I would like to thank you most sincerely for that. Today's event, or this morning's launch, marks the Office of the President's commitment and endeavour to promote the Fijian government's digital information technological transformation reform program and its overall commitment in attaining service excellence and efficient service delivery to all Fijians, and in some cases to our international friends and clientele. Now, today's launch is indeed historical, as it is the first ever website Office of the President, as I've said. We are making history. Now, since assuming office in 2015, I laid out a plan to try and improve the status and image of this prestigious institution, and to date, I'm so glad and equally proud to proclaim that together we have accomplished several projects which included the major renovations of the State House, almost done. The official changing of its name from Government House to that of State House way back in 2017, and a new re-landscaped look to the State House compounds. And this, ladies and gentlemen, includes another program at the back of the wall, which I will talk to you later about. Not only are we re-landscaping the front by planting more flowers and plants, but we are also promoting government's backyard farming program by tilling the land. Together with that, we have successfully transformed the former squash court into a modern-day wellness center and gymnasium. And now, today, this offers launch of the website. So we've done well for ourselves, and we should pat us on the back. And, I should pat you on the back. You did the hard yakka. Now, the website is a new and revamped information technological platform to inform all Fijians and stakeholders of the primary responsibility of the President and the core purpose and functions of the Office of the President's staff. Now, amongst its many purposes, the website now offers both information and access for the general public, both here in Fiji and abroad, the ability as potential employees to apply for vacant positions through the vacancy portal. This is good news for those who are looking for a job. We'd like to think that we are promoting government's endeavour to reduce the unemployment rate for the nation. And also informs all Fijians and non-residents about Fiji's honours system. And this is where I'd like to acknowledge and thank the chairperson of the college about our collective effort to promote a cultural appreciation. And I think most of you know all about it. Now, with mobile and tablet-friendly functionality, it enables individuals and organizations intending to nominate and recognize achievements of meritorious or selfless service by our citizens, and occasionally, as honorary appointments for non-citizens, access to an online nominal portal. Now, again, this has enabled members of our community and our friends overseas to utilize this means. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the website offers another unique and ideal opportunity for users to learn and appreciate the work and achievements of past government generals and presidents, and the invaluable contribution of present and past staff members. So I guess, for those of us who have watched the Back in Time program, this is an opportunity for our children and our grandchildren to watch the program in years to come and say, oh, so that was what my dad or my mother or my grandfather or my grandmother did when he or she was under the employ of the Office of the President. It offers as well a glimpse into both my constitutional and legislative roles and the advocacy programs that I participate in and champion as your head of state, and there's a few. I have been assured that the office will ensure the continuous update of information to maintain the relevance of the website and efficient dissemination of accurate information through the means. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I would like to once again thank you for your attendance and acknowledge and commend the hard work and efforts of our administration staff, our colleagues from the Information Technology Services and the Department of Information who had worked tirelessly over the past months to make today's launch possible. Now, our level, thank you, Dhanawad Shukra Fayaksha. May Almighty God bless you.